Hi fans, this month we are working to grow the channel, so please subscribe. Also, viewer discretion is advised.
Yeah. Are you in the medical field?
So, you're going to tell me about Meta 7, but tell us how you were feeling before you started Meta 7.
6 months ago, I was doing well in terms of rehabbing from my stroke, but my energy level was low, and it was very frustrating. I would spend 3 or 4 hours a day just sitting on the couch because I didn't have the energy to do anything. Would take naps, and I could get things done in small bursts. Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months. I haven't. I go to bed at 9, wake up at 4. I'm working a new job, substitute teaching. I'm on my feet all day. I'm working in the backyard doing physical labor. My wife won't let me use an electric chainsaw, so I'm having to cut everything by hand. And I just don't. Anytime I sit down on the couch for 5 minutes, it's like, okay, I got to get up and do something.
You don't want to sit around. You don't feel lazy. You don't feel tired anymore.
No.
All that's gone. And do you feel shaky, jittery, nervous, anything like that on the Meta 7?
I haven't noticed any of that.
All right.
What I've noticed is I had a stroke in June, and I'm back to pre-stroke activity level.
That's fantastic. Now, probably some of that we can attribute to the fact that the stroke has healed some.
Sure.
But what we were really focused on before was you were just dealing with this profound fatigue. And when you started the Meta 7, that reversed almost immediately.
Yeah, the fatigue was debilitating. I mean, it was like I couldn't just sit there and work on my computer. I mean, I had to sit on the couch and watch TV and do nothing.
Fantastic.
And now that's all overcome.
Fantastic. Thanks for sharing with us.
Yeah, you bet.
Check out Dr. Gilmore's 7-piece kit. It's compact in size with a leather case, perfect for traveling, and available on Amazon for under $20. See link below.